if people are scared and they're unhappy, they're going to build castles. And if they're happy, there are not going to be walls, and that wealth is going to flow. More jobs, more investment, more money throughout the country. But it starts at home. If people don't feel safe at home, they're not going to go outside the house.
Absolutely.
So I think that is definitely, there are ways to engage them that I would not necessarily, if I was campaigning in an area like Vanaheda, there's completely, and I mean, I feel for those people. I recently, for example, this is now quite far from here. I went to Ongwediva for the trade fair. And, you know, just before you get to Ondangwa, you're there and it's just palm trees, and there's a house, and there's a house, and there's a house. You see two children sitting there, you see two people sitting there. And I was actually with my team, we were, as I said, we were going for the trade fair, and at one point, my eyes started tearing up, and I said, you know, what if you are born there? How much of a chance do you have to get out of that life? I think it's immensely difficult. But neither me nor you, even if we go to every guy and give them $1,000, that's not going to eradicate poverty. That's not going to fix the situation. It's going to fix it for a week or 2 weeks. And then it's back to the same thing. So you need to get money from where there is money to places where there aren't money. But the people who have the money, if they are not convinced of how safe and how developed you have made it back home for them, they're not going to push the money there.
Absolutely.
So that's why I agree with you, is the challenges that we are facing and what we're campaigning for is immensely different in these constituencies and then the districts. But that's why data, having the knowledge at your fingertips, is something that successful people want. I mean, look at any successful person. They want to know what is happening. Am I safe? Is the company flowing? Is it positive? Is this? Am I in trouble with the Labour Commission? Am I in trouble with this import law or something like that? And the moment they have information, they become relaxed, they become happy. And that helps them, that invigorates them, or that motivates them to push business out. And that's how we eventually get the money to the areas that don't have it. But it's a process, but there's method to the madness.